guys, today we're going to be covering perspective, two-point perspective, and orthographic modes in detail. Once we reach the orthographic mode, I'll show you how to set your views for elevations and plans in the Enscape viewport. Let's start the lesson.
Perspective, as we know, is the default view. This is set by default in your preset. Go to your visual settings window, and do that here under projection. Now I have created 3 presets, P1, P2, and P3. I have applied sketch mode to all 3, so we can focus on form and projection rather than materials. I will add a different projection type to each. Now P1 is perspective. Let me go to P2 and I will change the projection mode here to 2-point perspective. And go to P3, change the projection mode to orthographic. Cool! You can change this here on top, or go to your visual settings window. Now I will go over my views. As you can see, I have saved 3 views. When I edit the first one here, I can link P1, which has been set as perspective. This will naturally remain as it is. Now when I go to edit my second view, I will link the 2-point perspective preset to this view. I will set it up a bit. And here you can see how the 2-point is being highlighted through this unique composition. Super! The last view. I will link this to the 3rd preset, which has been set to orthographic mode. I will adjust my view. Here you see how nicely it reflects the ortho perspectives. So these are the 3 projection modes inside Enscape. You can of course change them directly from here, but it will change the mode not only for the current workspace, but also for the active preset. Means if you have linked any views to this preset, where the view was ortho for example, and is now perspective, this will affect those views as well. So I suggest always creating a new preset for different projection modes as well. Now, as promised, I told you I will show you how to quickly extract plans and elevations from your model in the ortho view. Enscape follows the north settings from your CAD. So for example, my project is set on the true north, and I need parallel projection for my elevations. I just have to go to orthographic mode and click on my standard view shortcuts. We covered this in lesson 4 as well. Simply click on these shortcuts using the numpad. Now before exporting the elevations, I would suggest you apply alpha channel. This will make the background transparent if no style is applied. I like it in Ultra HD, so I can zoom in and add some details if needed. Check these out! They are ready for my presentation boards. Something important to know here is that you might not always get such well-aligned elevations. For example, if your project is planned on an angle and the elevation is partially north-facing and partially east-facing, you will get a view from the north side, meaning you won't see the complete building elevation in this scenario, but you will still get the complete north elevation of the building. Regardless of the fact how a building is actually positioned on the site, the standard north, south, east, and west elevations are still required by designers to understand the impact of sun on all sides of the building. It is sometimes a requirement by the building authorities as well, so this will definitely be a time saver in many scenarios. Alright guys, hope you got something new out of this video. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe for more.